In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom library for flowcharts in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. We'll walk through setting up a reusable library so you can drop complete flowchart components into any diagram, whether you're working in the draw.io website or inside the draw.io app for Confluence and Jira. Start by heading to the draw.io site and signing in if you aren't already. You'll land on the main dashboard where your diagrams live. For this workflow, we'll assume you already have a flowchart prepared on your board. Having a finished or nearly finished flowchart makes it easy to capture the exact elements you want to reuse. At the top, open the File menu. From there, choose the New Library option. You'll see several storage locations like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox, but for this demo, we're focusing on a browser-based library, which saves locally in your current browser. Go ahead and pick Browser. A window will pop up asking for a file name. Replace the default untitled library with a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. Think of something that reflects your team or process, like Support Flowcharts or Release Steps. Then click Save. If you're prompted for a visible title as well, add the same name and save again. This helps keep your library organized and recognizable in the sidebar. You'll now see your new library on the left, typically under the scratch pad. With that in place, click back into your diagram. Select the entire flowchart you want to reuse. On Windows, press Ctrl+A. On Mac OS, press Command+A. With everything highlighted, drag the selection into your new library. Draw.io will create a library entry from what you dragged, so you can reuse that exact layout later. To use it, give yourself some space on the canvas by scrolling down or panning, then drag the item from your library onto the board. You can add multiple items the same way, or click the plus icon in your library to add the current selection as a new entry. If you need to modify your library, use the pencil icon to edit entries, rename them, or remove ones you no longer need. When you're done managing the library, click the X to close it. And that's it. You've created a custom flowchart library you can reuse across diagrams in draw.io and when embedding diagrams in Confluence or Jira. Remember, a browser library is stored locally in this browser, so use the same browser to access it. Great job and congratulations!